Hey, what's up Neet aspirants? How is your preparation going? Today I am representing a video on Neet essentials for smooth preparation and easy learning. Let's start with A4 sheets. These are important to make notes and you need to choose sheets wisely. Paper quality will let you revise your notes again and again. Here, this is plain paper notebook which is beneficial for making biology notes as biology notes won't be much lengthy. And this is another notebook for physics notes. You can do center partition so that it won't take much space, and at the end these will be your short notes. You can buy paper clips if you require. Another thing is that daily planner where you can write upcoming targets so that you can study with consistency. And highlighters are very important because they help you to memorize things rapidly as they fill colors in your boring notes. I have 4 highlighters of different colors. You can choose colors according to your choice. Green highlighter is must, because it helps you to highlight previous year question in your NCERT. I use pink highlighter to highlight lines in book which I forget every time. I use blue highlighter to highlight very important lines which may come in final Neet exam. And with neon highlighter I use to highlight lines from where assertion and reason questions may be asked. Sticky notes. These helps to add additional information regarding any topic. I got this for 50 rupees and this contains 120 sheets inside it. These sticky notes can be re-sticked and it doesn't damage paper. Now let's talk about another essentials. If you have whiteboard then you can write there besides writing over notebooks because it will save pages. Get at least 2 whiteboard markers so that you can refill both. DOMS refills are much better as compared to other refills. One refill for marker will cost 35 rupees. Pens are great because they are also available in different colors. Use red pen to underline important points. For example, any diagrams name which you forgot in your last mock test. Use black pen to mark other important points according to you. Use green pen to write PYQS which came in exam but are not in book. Always try to use clutch pencil because it doesn't require sharpener. And refills for clutch pencil should be selected wisely. The refills come in different thickness. I use 0.7 refills which let me write smoothly. One last necessity is periodic table but of large size. You should paste periodic table on the wall in front of your study table, so that you can memorize it well. And here's we are done with all essentials for Neet. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.